Hey y'all, it's Taylor Swift here. Due to a packaging error, we can't sell 3,000 Le Creuset cookware sets, so I'm giving them away to my loyal fans for free. If you're seeing this ad, you can get a free Le Creuset cookware set today. But just a heads up, there are a few rules. You must live in the United States, and you can only get one free kitchen set per household. All you have to do is click the button below and answer a few questions. These will only be given out until the end of the day today, so don't hesitate. Supplies are running out, so get yours while you can. Thank you guys for all your...
The video which you guys just now saw was entirely made using AI. Even the voice which you heard was copied using AI. For someone who does not have much information about AI can be easily deceived by this kind of videos. And like this, using AI, many such videos can be made to spread misinformations about many things if fallen in the wrong hands. Now in the today's world, with the usage of AI in our daily lives, it is only a matter of time when AI will take over this world. This is what I personally believe. So let's now talk about some of the real life stories which shows how AI can be a dangerous threat to someone's life. The term artificial intelligence was originally coined by the computer scientist John McCarthy in 1950s. In today's age, from the year 2022 till present, it is said to be the AI era. But this AI was developed to help humans, to make their works easy. But nowadays, people are using this AI for purposes which are completely different from the ones for which it was initially developed. For instance, let's talk about a recent case from Hong Kong, where a finance worker at a multinational firm was tricked into paying out $25 million to fraudsters who reportedly created the face and cloned the voice of the chief financial officer in a video conference. The worker was tricked into attending a video call with what he thought were several other members of staff, but all of whom were in fact deepfake creations. According to Senior Superintendent of Hong Kong Police, in the multi-person video conference, it turns out that everyone was fake. Although the Hong Kong police did not yet disclose the name of the company or the worker to maintain its privacy, but the question arises, what is deepfake and what is it capable of doing? Basically, deepfake is the method in which the facial features and the body features of a person appearing in any kind of videos are digitally altered so that they may look like someone else. This deepfake thing was in the existence from a very long time, but it used to be a very time-consuming process. But with the advancements in AI, it is now just a matter of clicking one or two buttons and a realistic deepfake video will be in front of you. Deepfakes were generally used in the films. For example, in the Justice League, Henry Cavill's mustaches were digitally removed using deepfake, though the final results were not up to the mark. Anyways, but nowadays deepfakes are used for making celebrity pornographic videos, fake newses, hoaxes, financial frauds, and for many other things. For example, this year only at the end of January, some pornographic AI generated images of the American pop star Taylor Swift showing her in sexually suggestive and explicit positions spread across the social media, which were viewed tens of millions of times. But it was removed shortly. Not only that, but in 2023 only, we got so many controversial deepfake cases from Bollywood, which raised a storm among the netizens. Similarly, there are many cases in the Hollywood also. If you use TikTok, then at least once while scrolling, you must have encountered with the fake Keanu Reeves. You know, the fake. Then there is the fake Robert Downey Jr., who can be seen on various social media platforms, is again a result of deepfake. These makes us question which are real and which are not. Not only this, but using the advanced AIs, scammers are cloning the voice of other people so realistically that they are using this to emotionally manipulate other people. For instance, on 24th October 2023, a senior citizen residing in Yamuna Vihar, Delhi, was tricked into sending 50,000 rupees to the scammers after receiving a ransom demand via WhatsApp, which included a child's voice cloned using AI. According to the police, the gentleman received a WhatsApp message from an unknown number claiming his cousin's son had been kidnapped, and on top of that, to even further convince the victim, the criminals played a voice recording of the child created using voice cloning technology, pleading for help. And you know the rest. Of course, the man panicked and sent the amount to the scammers, but upon calling his cousin, he found that the kid was safe and sound at home. I know, like me, you guys are also thinking, is there no way to stop this? Maybe yes, maybe no. But the only thing which I can say that it is us who have to be more cautious, because we humans only created this AI to be our friend, to help us with our works. So it becomes our duty to make sure that AI may always remain our friend and not take over us and destroy our lives. So this much only I had to tell. Hope you guys like this video, and with this we will again meet you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe and goodbye.